Okay, so any question on the project? Okay, so please, guys, try to make your decision as soon as possible, because you are expected, as we mentioned before, within nearly 1 month, you should submit your reports. Okay, and then we can schedule for presentations. So I will open soon on Moodle the submission form, and you should start to work from now to not be ahead of time. Okay, now it's the beginning of the semester, you don't have a lot of deliverables, so I advise you to get rid of this work, and then you will have time for other courses, to study for your exams. So now you have time, try to do your best and start with the project, and I can follow up with you, so you can continue. You can send me, if you want, your report each time you do, let's say, a part and you are not sure of something or you want to check for it. You can send it to me, I can give you my comments, and we can discuss some ideas to have at the end a good report. Concerning the format, in general, I don't force you to use a certain format. Okay, you can use any format that you want, but and also I don't put a limit on the number of papers, and I don't want to force you to write a certain number of papers, but I want the quality of the work to be good. Of course, you have a certain minimum, so per person at least minimum 10 pages per person, nearly. Okay, with, let's say, Times New Roman font, font 12, you with single spacing or spacing 1.5. So in general, these are the general guidelines. I will post for you general guidelines to help you to have the same format. Okay, but as I told you, you don't have a limit on the number of papers. So you can put the information that you find needed to completely describe your work.
Doctor?
Yes?
Can Mirna and I work on nuclear energy?
Yes, of course, of course. So please just now at the end of the session, send me by WhatsApp just your names, okay, and the topic you selected. Yes, of course, you can work on nuclear energy. Other questions?
دكتور بس
Professor.
when it is due لأنه ما كتب الميتنج بعد.
Okay, nearly in 1 month. I will put from now the submission deadline on Moodle. Okay, so you can know the exact time.
Okay,
it's
thank
around 3 to 4 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
Other questions?
Doctor, could I stay for at the end of the meeting with you, because I need to talk to you about an important matter?
Yes, yes, sure, sure.
Thank you.
Other question on the project? Okay, look, I want now to tell you how we'll go over the material. Okay, so now as a first step, during these 2-3 days, please try to send me the topic you selected for the project. Now, concerning the material, each week we'll assign some videos to go over, and we'll discuss them during the live session, and we'll do examples together. In live sessions, I will do for you, I will do with you practice. So we'll do some problems related to the material together, and you can ask all the questions related to the videos. The videos are in the YouTube playlist that is posted on Moodle. So here, let us go over the YouTube playlist. For the introductory chapter, it's about energy history. Okay, so for this week, you just have to go over this chapter. It's mainly 3 videos in the YouTube playlist, parts 1 to 3. So at the end, also, I will mention on the group what are the videos I'm talking about. So you have 3 videos for the introductory chapter. You can go over them. And if you have any question, you can directly send it to me by WhatsApp, or you can keep it to the live session. It's up to you as you like. Okay, and next time I will introduce for you chapter 2, and we'll do some examples on it. We'll start to do some practice together. Okay, so here is concerning the link, it's on Moodle. So I will open here the YouTube playlist to see the different videos that we have. I already posted the first videos of last time. I'm sorry, the connection is a little bit bad. Okay, it's fine. If it will open, I will tell you which videos I'm talking about. Anyway, you can access them from the link posted on Moodle. Okay. Meanwhile, do you have any other question? And as I told you, concerning office hours, we can have them anytime. We can organize a meeting, or if you prefer to do office hours live, I will be each Friday on campus. Okay, so we can set a meeting together. So this is the
Okay,
YouTube.
thank you.
Welcome. This is the playlist. Okay, so we already went over the introductory part and the project guidelines. So for this week, please, I want you to go over chapter 1, part 1, part 2, and part 3. And next time, I will introduce for you the ideas of chapter 2, and we can start to do some problems together related to this chapter. As I mentioned before, chapter 1 is like an introduction to the course and how energy, it will give you an idea about the energy development and the different technologies that are used from in history, from the early stage until now. You don't have to memorize dates. You don't have to memorize if you want tiny details, but just you should have an idea about the energy progress and how we went from if you want basic forms of systems and how they advanced with time. Okay, so if you don't have anything else to ask about, we're done for today.
Doctor, so we'll go over the videos alone, then we'll meet every Thursday to discuss the
Exactly.
chapters.
Each will have a live session. During the live session, we'll discuss your questions about the videos, and we'll do extra problems together. And because in this way, we can benefit from time to do extra problems since we have all recorded lectures available. Okay, so you have already in this, for example, for each chapter, you already have problems on it. I will do with you other problems. So in this way, we can benefit from more time to do extra practice together. Okay?
Yes, thank you, Doctor.
These problems, you can find them on Moodle. As we discussed before, Moodle is divided into several parts. For each chapter, you have first a recorded PowerPoint in case you prefer to go over a recorded PowerPoint. Or for me, of course, it's better to go over the videos, because in these videos, you have a lot of discussions, you have questions and answers, and all types of possible questions that can be asked, you can find them. So videos will help you to understand well the material. Plus, for each chapter in Moodle, you have a section of chapter problems in order to practice on the formulas and the ideas introduced. And you have here their solutions. Now, during the live session, I will do extra problems with you to practice on these ideas. Plus, I will answer all the questions that you have concerning the material. And feel free to send me your questions directly. I know that maybe you prefer to ask directly when you study the material. You can send me anytime your questions by WhatsApp. I don't have any problem. Okay, so you can send me voice messages. You can send me, let's say, pictures or images and ask about something specific. I will answer you as soon as possible.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome.
Thank you, Professor.
Welcome. Any other question?
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. Yes, concerning the person who talked to me, I'm waiting for you. So when all other
Yeah,
participants-
I'm here,
Okay.
Professor.
Welcome. So just let me stop recording.